Welcome to our journey through the history of humankind, based on Yuval Noah Harari's groundbreaking book, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. In this video, we'll explore the first part of the book, the cognitive revolution. Imagine a world where humans are just another species among many. For most of our history, Homo sapiens were insignificant creatures, coexisting with other human species like Neanderthals and Denisovans. Around 2.5 million years ago, the genus Homo appeared, but it wasn't until about 70,000 years ago that Homo sapiens began to think and communicate in ways that no other species could. This marks the beginning of the cognitive revolution. Suddenly, Homo sapiens developed complex language, allowing them to share intricate information about their world. This wasn't just about survival, it was about the ability to create and believe in shared myths, stories that enabled large-scale cooperation. These myths, whether about gods, nations, or money, became the glue that held societies together and allowed humans to collaborate in unprecedented ways. Now, let's step into the shoes of our ancestors, the hunter-gatherers. Their lives, though challenging, were in many ways balanced and fulfilling. They had a varied diet, lived in small, tight-knit groups, and moved frequently. Contrary to the grim picture often painted, these early humans enjoyed a certain harmony with their environment. Of course, their presence still impacted the ecosystems around them, leading to the extinction of several large animals. For example, the woolly mammoth became extinct around 4,000 years ago. The saber-toothed cat, Smilodon, went extinct about 10,000 years ago. The giant ground sloth, Megatherium, disappeared around 10,000 years ago, all because of human hunting. As Homo sapiens spread out of Africa, they embarked on an incredible journey, populating every corner of the globe. Migration was possible because of our superior cognitive abilities, allowing us to adapt to diverse and challenging environments. Moving to places like Australia and the Americas was a huge feat, involving complex navigation and adaptation. Now, let's talk about the agricultural revolution, which Harari provocatively calls history's biggest fraud. While farming allowed us to produce more food, it didn't necessarily improve our quality of life. People worked longer hours, ate less varied diets, and faced new diseases. The shift to agriculture also brought social hierarchies and economic inequalities. Despite these drawbacks, farming paved the way for larger, more complex societies and fundamentally changed human life. In this first part of Sapiens, we explore how the cognitive revolution set Homo sapiens on a path to becoming the dominant species on Earth. Our ability to think and communicate in complex ways allowed us to form large societies, create shared beliefs, and impact the world profoundly. This cognitive leap laid the foundation for the following agricultural and scientific revolutions, shaping the course of human history. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the history of humankind. Stay tuned for more amazing insights from Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like and subscribe.